We have some news now coming in. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has congratulated ABVP for its resounding victory in the Delhi University polls. He says this victory is a reflection of the unwavering faith of the youth in the nation-first ideology. This triumph will further accelerate the journey of transforming the council's student power into national power, says Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The recently concluded Delhi University student body elections ended up with 3 out of the 4 seats for the ABVP and 1 for the NSUI, which is the Congress-backed student union. Payal, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Payal, we've seen about 39% voting take place during that election, but 3 out of the 4 key posts are now with the BJP-backed ABVP. Union Home Minister, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, all coming out to congratulate the winners.
Well, of course, most of these leaders in the BJP have had a background, Poonam, when they came in from ABVP, where that is where their formative years have really been. But the kind of dominance under the present circumstances, especially in the wake of what Rahul Gandhi has been saying in the last 24 hours or so, when he mentioned about, the fact that Gen Z is going to go a certain way, that's actually putting a lot of sting in the step as far as the BJP leaders are concerned. They welcome what has happened in the DISU elections. They're congratulating the ABVP. At the same time, saying that only those forces who actually want to keep the nation first are the forces that actually can guide the youngsters as well. In fact, BJP's Delhi chief Virendra Sachdeva has come out and taunted Rahul Gandhi and essentially said that now Rahul Gandhi will really want to understand and will hopefully know where the young minds of this country really want to go, and they trust the BJP and they trust the ABVP, which is of course an organization backed by the BJP RSS, essentially as the way that can take the country forward. So there are no takers for the divisive politics of NSUI. That's the taunt that's coming the Congress party's way.
Right. Payal, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. Like she pointed out, several BJP leaders owe their rise within the BJP from their start at the ABVP. That's exactly what the Union Home Minister was also pointing to. We'll keep a track of that and much more here on Nation at 5. But for now, a quick break.